Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to recover your Epic Games email and password. So by any chance you have forget your email and your password for Epic Games and now you want to play a game, so don't worry, I'll show you how you can get access to your account. So first you have to open a browser and search for Epic Games and then simply go to its website. Once you get to its website, then you first have to get a hint about your email address, because if you know the email address through which you have created your account, you can easily get access to your password. So first you have to remember what email you have used. So for that you can go to that sign in option, and once you get there you can try it with different accounts like different Gmail or whatever you usually use. Just simply try to add these. Once you add your account, if your account has been created through that specific email, you will get the mail. Otherwise, it will notify you that you did not have any account with this email. And if it does not show anything, that means you have an account with this email, so that you can just simply click onto that forget password option and you will be able to recover your password. So basically, you have to try out with different emails. On any email, it says that you do not have an account with this email. That means this is not the email. But on any email address, if it shows you the option through which you have to add the password, that means this is the email. So that means you have got your email address. Now, once you have your email, you just have to simply add it, click on continue, and after that, when it comes to add the password, you can click on forget password. By doing that, you will get the notification or the mail on your email address, and through there you can get back your new password. So what you have to do is you have to just simply add your email address and it will send a verification code or a security code on your email address. Just simply get that 6-digit code and paste it here and then click on continue, and then you will be able to reset your password, or you may get into your account through which later on you can change your password. So it was a small trick through which you can recover your email, and once you have recovered your email, that means you can successfully reset your password. So I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.